the next part of the section, we're solving logarithmic equations. Now, if you graph log of x, you'll see that the domain of a logarithm is from 0 to infinity. And what that means is that answers that make the inside of a logarithm negative or 0 must be removed. So we always need to check our final answer on these problems. Okay, so number 22 we have ln of 5x plus 1 is equal to ln of 4x plus 6. Now you'll notice here that all of our numbers and variables are on the inside of the logarithms, and the logarithms are the same base. So let me write that. Everything is on the inside of logarithms of the same base. In this case, the base is e. So when this happens, we actually only care about the insides of the logarithms. So we only care about 5x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 6. Kind of like with the exponential equations, when we had the same base, all we had to do was set the exponents equal to each other and then solve. Same thing with logarithms. If everything's on the inside of logarithms of the same base, you can just solve this equation and it will solve this equation. So I need to solve it. If I subtract 4x from both sides, I get x plus 1 is equal to 6. And then if I subtract 1, x is equal to 5. Now I do want to check to make sure that it doesn't make the inside of a logarithm negative or 0. So if you plug it back into this one, that would be 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26, so that's okay. And then if I plug it into this one, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 6 is 26. That's okay. So if it makes it negative or 0, that's when you need to remove it. But this one didn't, so this will be our final answer.